So sometimes when you're having a conflict, or you're really upset with your partner, what you think is the issue is not actually the issue. So how do you know? How do you know if you're getting triggered or if the issue is just the issue at hand? So here's 3 signs that what's happening is actually something else and you're getting triggered. Number 1, your thoughts and feelings in the moment are not rational. And what I mean by that, I do not mean that they're invalid. Even when your thoughts and feelings are irrational, you're still valid in how you feel. But if the thoughts and feelings you're having just don't make any sense and they don't really actually seem to apply to the situation at hand, there's a good chance you're getting triggered by something else. Number 2, the degree and level to which you're upset doesn't really match what's actually happening in the moment. So, the situation's here and you're like up here. You're getting triggered by something else. And your nervous system's freaking out about it. And number 3, you're actually experiencing intrusive memories from a past experience. The problem is a lot of people don't like to admit that they're getting triggered by something else because they feel like it takes away responsibility from the partner. And that's the person in this moment that you're most upset with. Something that needs to be resolved and needs to be healed. And when you resolve and heal your triggers, guess what happens? You don't get as triggered anymore. So what do you do when a current conflict with your spouse is triggering something deeper in you and you recognize it, you realize it? Number 1, you have to just go take some time alone to sit with those feelings, sit with the trigger. Don't run from the trigger. I know it's uncomfortable and it's scary and it's painful, but the way to heal a trigger is to face the trigger and to allow yourself to explore and figure out what's there. And if you need professional help, I strongly recommend it. I'm a trauma therapist, so I sit with people a lot in their triggers and their pain. It can be really hard to do that by yourself. So look for a therapist. But on your own, you can focus a lot on what's happening in your body. Call somebody that you trust and just sort of talk through what you discovered with them. Talk about that painful experience that's coming up for you as you focus on what you're feeling in your body and you focus on writing down the thoughts and things that are coming to your mind. And then if you do need professional help, which I strongly recommend, there's nothing wrong with getting some help. I encourage you finding someone who can utilize brain-based therapies and techniques. I use something called accelerated resolution therapy. It's extremely powerful for identifying and healing the root cause of your triggers, as well as brain spotting. This is another powerful technique. I encourage you to look them up. And then also somatic experiencing, EMDR. These are extremely powerful techniques. They help you go into the deeper places in your brain, figure out